We have a new signal that I created called a short bounce, which is nothing more than a pullback after a pivot.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning. It's Monday, July 7, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. President Trump announced tariff letters to 12 nations today, warning of a 10% extra tariff on BRICS allies. Tariffs may revert to April 2nd levels by August 1 if no deals are reached. Markets are cautious. European stocks edge up, US futures fall, the dollar strengthens, and crude oil recovers after an OPEC Plus output hike. Key events include a UK gilt sale and Trump's meeting with Israeli PM Netanyahu. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now, let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
Let's start with the currency pairs.
All right.
Aussie US dollar is, according to the AI, in a mixed market structure right now, which makes sense because it's painting white and going sideways. It was down all last night. The current indicators are bearish. ADX is strong. RSI is right smack in the middle. That's why it's yellow. Volume is low, so there's really nothing to pay attention to there. The last momentum peak signal we had was right here, middle of last night. So that is over with. The last pivot short that we had was 120 bars ago. That was way over here. And it's just been going down ever since that one. We have a new signal that I created called a short bounce, which is nothing more than a pullback after a pivot. So this was a pivot short. This is the pullback from it. This is trading 101. You would short that and just go down to the downside. So those are going to be coming up on the radar instead of the pivots because these fail a lot or break even a lot. I think we'll have a little better luck at making some money with these bounce signals. So that's that. Moving on to US Canadian dollar. The current market structure is trending to the upside with an 80% confidence level. The traditional indicators are bearish at the moment. RSI is pushing into the 30s. That's why this puppy's getting green. That means it's getting a little bit oversold and volume is normal. So if volume is normal or high, you want to pay attention. The last momentum peak was right here. And it looks like that one was successful. Syzygy pivot long was 118 bars ago. That's this guy. And then the long bounce, which is what I like. That was right here. That both of those would have been a home run. So had you stayed in those. So that one looks pretty good. On to you.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
USD Chief. Currently, market structure is mixed because it's starting to chop here sideways. The indicators show a bullish trend, fairly strong trend. RSI in the 60s, starting to turn orange, which means it's moving towards red, but the volume is really low, so I'm not too worried about that. Momentum peaks, the pivot alerts. When was the last pivot here? It was a short 600 bars ago. Wow, that's a long time ago.
Hmm.
And no pullbacks have been detected in the last 40 signals. Pound US dollar. The signals are bullish. That kind of makes sense. It's starting to go a little bit to the upside here, so that's the immediate signal. But it is a very weak trend. RSI is right in the middle. Volume is normal. This is a keep an eye on it kind of thing, but don't do anything yet. Momentum peak. Where was the last one? Oh, here we go. It was over here. You would have shorted that one and you would have made money. So that one was a good one. Pivot short, 194 bars ago. Same thing here. A long time since a pivot. And no pullbacks detected in the last 40. AI is predicting bullish candles going forward. So that's pretty much it for today.
Happy trading.
You too.